In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to unlink Rockstar Social Club account from Steam. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then kindly type Steam Social Club Rockstar. So you just have to tap this one here. And then after that, you have to click the first one, okay, the first site that will appear right here. So this is what it looks like. Now you have to make sure that you're logged into your account. So if you have an account yet, you need to sign up. If you have an account, click sign in. So here you just have to go to this part in your profile, scroll down and tap help. Okay, this one. Then click support. And then here under support, what you're going to do is to simply look for social club. The third one, tap this. And then here you have to click this social club account. Tap this one. And then after that, you have to go to account linking. So this is what it looks like. And what we're going to do here is to simply enter some information. Okay, so before that, you have to go to your Steam first, go to your profile, go to account details, and then all you have to do is to simply enter this one here. Okay, now for description, you have to follow this one if you want, or you can also construct your own sentence. But for me, I'm going to type, can you please unlink my social club account from my Steam account, something like that. And then here you can type social account name. You have to enter your social account name here. And then apart from that, you can also add here your Steam ID, okay? Or Steam account ID. Now, where to see this one? Where can we get this one? You just have to go to your Steam and then go to this part, drag, select all, and then right click, then copy, then go back, and then paste it right here. Okay? And then after that, you can add more details if you want. You can upload some photos here as a proof. And then after that, you need to click the submit web ticket. So wait for 24 hours. But I heard that you need to wait for to receive a feedback from Social Club. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.